Welcome to today's episode. We're diving into something a bit more industrial, but fascinating nonetheless: concrete masonry screws.
That's right. These little pieces of hardware play a crucial role in construction. Have you ever worked with them yourself?
I have, actually. They're incredibly useful for securing materials to concrete. But for someone new, it can be a bit intimidating.
Absolutely. One common question is, why choose screws over traditional methods like nails or other fasteners?
Good point. Screws offer more stability and are easier to remove if adjustments are needed. Plus, they don't require pre-drilling, which saves time.
Exactly. And speaking of installation, do you know the best practices to ensure a solid fix?
Definitely. First, always clean the hole of dust and debris before inserting the screw. This ensures better grip and longevity.
That's a great tip. And what about the type of screw to use? Does it really matter?
It does. The material of the screw should match the environment. Stainless steel for corrosion resistance, for example.
Interesting. I read that the length of the screw is also crucial. It should be long enough to anchor securely, but not too long to avoid cracking the concrete.
Exactly. And it's also about the diameter. Thicker screws can handle heavier loads, but might require a pilot hole.
Speaking of loads, how do you determine the weight limits for these screws?
Manufacturers often provide guidelines, but generally, the deeper the embedment, the stronger the hold. Still, it's always good to err on the side of caution.
That's sound advice. Switching gears a bit, do you think there's a growing trend in the use of these screws in DIY projects?
For sure. More people are taking on home improvement projects, and these screws offer a professional finish without needing professional tools.
That's encouraging for DIY enthusiasts. Do you have any final thoughts for our listeners?
Just remember, safety first. Always wear protective gear when working with masonry, and don't rush the job.
Wise words. Thanks for joining us today. Keep those projects secure and solid.